Hi guys, welcome back to another channel. And today we are going to doing slime, but we're gonna do actually paint to color, like food coloring. But we're actually gonna do like pink, orange, yellow, blue, and green, kind of purple. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, now it's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Look at how it fits. It's so pretty, guys. Wow. So pretty. I got my slime here. Hold on, let's get that. I got here. This is how the slime looks like. I just really tested it. So we're gonna mess it up. Sorry, slime. To see the effects. So yeah, I'm gonna do some each one. So yeah. Ooh, I'll take this. Okay, got this. I'll put a little box there. And it's trying to be alright. And my borax, just put it in there. I just put the borax in. Okay. Now I'm gonna get like thickness because I actually see it. Oh, I just need more borax. I put a little bit because I don't want to let it come on. Okay, I'm just gonna make a mess right now. Oh. Okay. I thought it was not gonna be a mess, but it did make a mess. I shouldn't put one borax. It's just slippery. Well, I want to say it could go. Okay, now. Okay. Yeah. Tell me in the comments that which color should I do for my next video. So yeah, I'm gonna put green. Not my favorite color. Let's pick this up. Oh, you can say green in there. Okay, let's put a little bit of green. Okay, that should be good. And hold on. Okay, it looks like vomit. You can see that, it's not, you can see that, right? You can see that. Okay, nothing happened to the green. Now let's try the purple. I'm just put a little bit dip in there. Dip in that slime. Dip it. Let's see. Okay, we got something. Okay, we're going in there. Oh wow, I just went literally in there. So. No. Oh wait. Yeah. So I got colors in there. Okay, nothing happened. So two, like how many? Like before that. Because I'm trying to do one. So let's see how the blue one works. I found the blue one. Not filming. Okay, let's see how it really goes right now. Because the other they don't work. Okay, did not really work. Now let's see, it's the yellow color. That thing did not work. So let's see. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, this thing went wrong. Okay. Okay. Oh my. Oh no. It was paint. And it looks like green. Wait, tell me in the comments that which color is this? Tell me in the paint comments which color is it? It's not as different from the other side. So this thing fell me. Sorry. Now we have like one more left. Okay, I guess it's fine. Let's see, orange. Let's see, you could try to do this. Let's see. Okay. This is pretty nice, but it did not turn to this color. So this is me, and this is the last toenail. What's this kind? I just used all the. Okay. Okay, let's see how it worked. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is not surprising that I was thick. But this is from in the video, so all the paint did not work. So tell me in the comment if you want to do more videos about paint your slime. And so yeah, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.